Introducing the 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. Call today to schedule a test drive.